Alright, what's up, YouTubers? So pretty much doing an unboxing video of the Diamond Supply Co. Cable lock that was just out, what, last Saturday or something like that. So, anyways, yeah. So these are currently sold out at the moment. If you guys don't know, now you do. And let's get this shit open. Oh, and it's cool that they put it in another box like they did on this one. See, this one is the yeah, like they did on that one. So it's cool. Gave me another box, so now I have two boxes. Get this opened here. Oh, and this Saturday I will be purchasing the rolling papers, diamond rolling papers. So, and I will be doing, well, I'll just do an unboxing on that one too. But, okay, there we go. Damn, what the hell is tab? Anyways, there's the diamond blue, Tiffany tag right there. Oh yeah, finally. Bam. And dun 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 dun. Boom. There it is. Diamond Supply Co. cable lock. Let me take it off this way. That's nice. Love it. It's not nice, I love it. It's dope. Anyways, yeah, so there it is. Diamond Supply Co.